Chapter 9 Some Applications of Trigonometry NCERT Exercise 9.1 Question number 10. The question is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and distance of the point from the poles. இந்த கொஷனில் ரெண்டு ஈக்குவல் போல்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் ஹைட் போல்ஸ் ஒரு ரோடோடைய ரெண்டு எட்ஜஸில் எய்தர் சைடு, இந்த ரோடோடைய ஒவ்வொரு சைட்லேயும் ரெண்டு ஈக்குவல் போல்ஸ் இருக்கிற கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அண்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் தம் இஸ் 80 மீட்டர். ஸோ இந்த கொஷினை நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ண வேண்டியது என்னென்னா, ஸோ இந்த ரோடுடைய ஒரு பிளேஸில் ஒரு பாயிண்ட், இந்த பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து ஃபஸ்ட் போல் டாப்போடைய எலிவேஷன் 30 டிகிரி அண்ட் அனதர் போல் எலிவேஷன், த எலிவேஷன் ஆஃப் டாப் ஆஃப் த அதர் போல் இஸ் 60 டிகிரி. இந்த கொஷனில் 3 திங்ஸ் கால்குலேட் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்குது. The one is height of the pole, height of the equal poles. The second thing is the distance of the point from each poles. So first diagram வந்து ஃபேராக போட போகிறோம். Solution. So two equal poles. Join these 2 points. Actually this is considered as a road. The distance between them is 80 meter. It is 80 meter wide. And from a point between them on the road, take any point on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30. So இந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு நேராக உள்ள போலுக்கு 60 டிகிரி, this is 60 degree. The elevation of top of the pole is 60 degree. இந்த பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய போலோட எலிவேஷன் இஸ் 30 டிகிரி. It is considered as a 30 degree. It's 30 degree elevation. The full distance is 80 meter. It is 80 meter wide. This point is taken as a P. The poles are considered as a AB and CD. C to P take X meter and P to B take, the full is 80, CP is X, therefore the BP distance is 80 minus X. The poles height take H meters. Equal poles, therefore CD also H. So the triangle first 60 degree triangle, அதாவது ABP right angle triangle tan 60 யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு ரிலேஷன் கொண்டு வர போகிறோம். Then second tan 30, அதாவது triangle BCD right angle triangle tan 30 யூஸ் பண்ணி one more relation. Using the two relations, first height நமக்கு கிடச்சிரும். height calculate பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் x calculate பண்ண போகிறோம், then 80 minus x calculate பண்ண போகிறோம். Here AB and CD represent poles, that is H meter, and B to C is 80 meter wide. It's considered as the width of the road. And C to P is equal to X meter and B to P is equal to 80 minus X meter. Now using the triangle tan 60, in a right angle triangle ABP, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. It is equal to AB, adjacent is BP. We know that tan 60 is root 3, AB is h, B to P is 80 minus x. Just cross multiplying it, 80 minus x root 3 is equal to h. From this relation, first do the inside multiplication. 80 root 3 minus x root 3 is equal to h. So root 3x goes to right hand side. It is x root 3, 80 root 3 minus h. So from this find x. So x is equal to 80 root 3 minus h by root 3. Let's take this relation as a number 1 equation. Now using the second triangle, the triangle name is PCD. So in a triangle PCD, tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is CD, adjacent is CP. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, CD is equal to h, CP is equal to x. Just cross multiplying it, we get x is equal to h root 3. So note that it is a number 2 equation. So comparing 1 and 2, here also x, here also x. So equating the two equations, we get from 1 and 2, h root 3 is equal to 80 root 3 minus h by root 3. And root 3 goes to left side. h into 3, 80 root 3 minus h. It is 3h. 3h, and this minus h also brings to left hand side, plus h, 80 root 3. 4h is equal to 80 root 3. h is equal to 80 root 3 by 4. It is 20 root 3. Therefore, the height of the poles are height of the equal poles is equal to 20 root 3 meter. And find x, that is CP. The CP is equal to x. Substitute h in equation number 2. So h root 3. This implies x is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 becomes 320, 60 meter. And find 80 minus x, that is BP. 80 minus x, this is equal to 80 minus 60, it is equal to 20 meter. Therefore, the position of a point P is at a distance of 60 meter from the pole CD and 20 meter from the pole AB. Therefore, the position of the point is at a distance of 60 meter from the pole CD and 20 meter from the pole AB. Therefore, the height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. The position of the point P is at a distance of 60 meter from the pole CD and 20 meter from the pole AB. Question number 10 is over. Thank you.